Today I have got an amazing plant-based recipe for you. We are making vegan and gluten-free meatballs. They are so delicious. They definitely have that same kind of meatball-y texture, and they are totally plant-based. So this is a recipe that I have been holding on to for a couple months. I am so excited to finally share it with you. It's really great for meal prep. So if you are somebody that likes to meal prep, these meatballs are amazing. You can serve them with regular pasta. You can serve them with zucchini noodles. There's really no way to go wrong with them. They are so good. As always, I have linked the full recipe down for you below. And I just want to mention that because we are talking about meal prep, we've been talking about meal prep a lot on this channel lately. I wanted to let you know that the new Simply Prepped program, which is my very own meal prep program, is now live and it's available. If you're interested in checking that out, learning more, or picking it up and joining our community, you could find that down in the description box below as well. So let's go ahead and dive into today's recipe. So to make this recipe, we are going to start with a food processor, and to that we are going to add 1 can of white beans that have been drained and rinsed, along with a 1/4 cup of chopped sun-dried tomatoes, some nutritional yeast for a nice cheesy flavor, some quinoa flakes, or you could also use some quick cooking oats, some tomato paste, definitely a lot of Italian seasoning, gives it that nice Italian flavor, some garlic powder, onion powder, hot pepper flakes, salt, and pepper. Then just pop on the lid to your food processor, and you're basically just gonna blend this up until it forms a sticky dough-like consistency. You're really looking for it to come together like this, and it will be sticky enough for you to form into small balls using your hands. So it is gonna be still a little bit wet, and you don't want it to be completely dry. You really want it to have some wetness so that the meatballs stay nice and moist while you bake them. So basically just form it into balls, then place these balls on your baking sheet. And then you'll pop them in a 350-degree oven and let them bake for about 30 minutes, flipping them halfway through. Once they are done baking, they should look like this. They will be nice and brown on both sides. They will be kind of crispy to the touch, but they will still be soft on the inside, which is exactly how you want a meatball. And I'll just show you the sides so you can see them. They are so yummy. And then to serve, of course, like I mentioned, you can serve them however you like. I served them with some zucchini noodles that I tossed with a little bit of marinara sauce and chopped cherry tomatoes, sprinkled it with some nutritional yeast and some fresh herbs, and I dug in. And I want to make sure that you see the inside of these meatballs because they really are quote unquote meaty, and they taste so good. They have a really nice flavor, a little bit of sweetness, lots of cheesy flavor, and they are definitely one of our favorite meals that we've made lately. I think you guys are absolutely going to love these, and I can't wait to see you make them at home. And there you have it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe video, and I hope you try these meatballs. They are so yummy. We have been making them over and over and over again. You can freeze them, you can meal prep them, like I said. They are so great with pesto, with tomato sauce, with like a creamy basil sauce. You can't go wrong. They're just delicious. And I can't wait to see your recreation. So if you do end up making them, make sure to share a photo with me on Instagram. You can tag @SimplyQuinoa or use #SimplyQuinoa. Of course, the recipe is up on the blog, so you can find that down in the description box below. I've linked it. And I also just want to mention one more time that if you are interested in learning more about our meal prep program, it is now available, which I'm so excited about. You can find that link down in the description box as well. It is a really awesome program for anybody who is interested in learning more about meal prep. We're all about simplifying this process, helping you save time, reduce your stress when it comes to meal planning and meal prepping, and ultimately saving you money at the grocery store, which is always a plus. There are recipes, there are formula guides, there's a ton of information, there's 4 weeks of meal plans, there's also some printables, there's dessert recipes, there's just so much. So it's a really awesome program. I'm so proud of it. Everyone that has joined so far is loving it, and I would love to have you join as well if you're interested. So don't forget to check out that link down below. And otherwise, thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you enjoy this recipe. I can't wait to hear what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!